Good afternoon, students. This is Ganesh Babu, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Sri Kalishwari College, Sivagasi. Today we are going to see about a usage of R programming. With the help of R programming, we are analyze and modeling our data sets. So first of all, today classes, we are going to import a data set with the help of some codings. With the help of the codings, we have to import our data sets as a CSV file or as well as a Excel file. So how we are import our data sets? So these are the things we are going to see next. Yes. First of all, how we are going to import a data set with the help of the data set called ACME data sets. So the variable data1 store the data called ACMA read.table. It reads the table from our data sets. So within the parenthesis, we are going to giving the file name, the file equal to, within a double quotes, we are going to give the file path. For example, in our system, we are already store the data sets in our as a soft copy. So we are giving a data set name within a double quotes. Then we have to give a header. So with the help of the header, we are going to import the such things name as false. So if you are giving a header as a true, then it shows the header files. If you are giving a header as a false, it does not show the header file of our table. Okay. So I think there is a error. What is the error in the sense? We are going to give a false in a caps lock. Now the data set is read by our table. The table of the data is read. So here it shows the data 1 is a table. Already we have imported. Then we are importing data 2. Data is the first table and data 1 is the second table. So in data 1 we are given a path name. We are given a path name that is called file.choose function. With the help of function, with the help of this function, we are going to choose the data sets from our data files. So here header makes true because we have to show our header in our data sets. So data 1 is also imported. So this is the dialog box which will be read a table from the data sets. So here we are choose the data sets ACME as a CSV file. So we import the data sets. Here the data 1 is taken only because of the data sets we are taken from the local disk. Then we are going to read a data set, that means the library files which will be located interiorly, that means library read Excel. So the library read Excel file will be taken with the help of coding, as well as it will be taken with the help of import data set from Excel. We are going to import a Excel file. So click browse. So here we have to click the data where we are going to store. I think ACME is a Excel file that will be taken and it will be imported. So here the data sets will be shown in the above space. Here the data set will be shown in the above space. So if you are going to view our data set in the sense, include the function view ACME. So ACME is our data set name and view is our function name. Yes. If you want to count the number of total number of rows and columns in a table in the sense, we have to give dim as a function. Within a parenthesis, we are going to give a data set name. So in our data set we are having 60 number of rows and 4 number of columns. So with the help of a dim function, we are showing our number of rows and number of columns. With the help of head function, we have to give a head as a function, and within the parenthesis we have to give our data set name. So with the help of the head function, we are shows the first 6 data from our data set record. So suppose if you want the name of our rows header, in the sense we have to give the function names. Within a parenthesis we are given a data set name. So it shows the header of our data set. It shows the header of our data set. If you want to remove the data set from or if you want to remove any variable from our workspace, in the sense, kindly give a function name as rm. Within a parenthesis we have give our variable name. Sorry, I think it's a error because of our we are giving a data we are variable as a init cap small, but we given is a capital letter. So here the data will be removed. Suppose if you want to remove our data set, in the sense rm within a parenthesis we have to give a file name. So within that, for example, one more thing I will likely to happen. Suppose if you clear the workspace, in the sense we have to give control plus L. Control plus L is one of the data sets will be used for clear a workspace. Okay. Within it, if you are going to conclude our R programming tutorials, thank you. Have a nice day.